Friends, as we have already completed present, past, similarly we go through the future tense. As we have applied in the present tense, am, is, are. In past tense, was, were. Similarly, in the future tense, we apply shall be and will be. Now we need to understand the chart of person and number. So in the workshop manual book, the chart of person and number given, where we can understand how to apply shall be and will be. Along with I, we apply shall be. Along with we apply will be. Along with you, second person, singular number and plural number, we apply will be. Along with third person, singular number and plural number, we will be applying will be. After completion of person and chart structure of sentence, you need to understand. The first is subject plus shall be plus object. Second is subject plus shall will plus not plus be plus object. Third is shall will plus subject plus be plus object plus question mark. Fourth is shall will plus subject plus not plus be plus object plus question mark. Fifth is WH word plus shall be plus subject plus be plus object plus question mark. Sixth is WH form of word plus shall be plus subject plus not plus be plus object plus question mark. These structure of sentence will allow you to understand the basic concept of develop the sentence within you. But apart from that, you need to do the again meditational way of practice with your tongue twisting with the help of shall be and will be. Now, we will be doing tongue twisting through the help of workshop manual book along with shall be and will be. That is, I shall be happy, I shall not be happy, shall I be happy, shall I not be happy, how shall I be happy, how shall I not be happy, we shall be happy, we shall not be happy, shall we be happy, shall we not be happy, how shall we be happy, how shall we not be happy, you will be happy, you will not be happy, will you be happy, will you not be happy, how will you be happy, how will you not be happy, he will be happy, he will not be happy, will he be happy, will he not be happy, how will he be happy, how will he not be happy, she will be happy, she will not be happy, will she be happy, will she not be happy, how will she be happy, how will she not be happy, it will be happy, it will not be happy, will it be happy, will it not be happy, how will it be happy, how will it not be happy, that will be happy, that will not be happy, will that be happy, will that not be happy, how will that be happy, how will that not be happy, Sita will be happy, Sita not will happy, will Sita be happy, will Sita not be happy, how will Sita be happy, how will Sita not be happy, they will be happy, they will not be happy, will they be happy, will they not be happy, how will they be happy, how will they not be happy, those will be happy, those will not be happy, will those be happy, will those not be happy, how will those be happy, these will be happy, these will not be happy, will this be happy, will this not be happy, how will this be happy, how will this not be happy. Friends, as we have already done the present tense, past tense, future tense, this is the basic concept of am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Now, we need to understand how to do the practice of these all uses. So, when you will do 10 times practice of am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. So, am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Every tense has 72 sentences in present, past, future. The combination of these all three will become 216 sentences. So when you will finish 72 sentence 10 times of am, is, are, then you will finish was, were 72 times, then you will finish shall we, will be 72 times. Similarly, you will finish the whole chart of mouth translation in the last with the help of 72 plus 72 plus 72. These 216 sentences, you need to do the practice in 2.5 minutes. For example, we can speak 72 sentences in 1.5 minutes. Now, this is really tough to make you understand how to develop the systematic way to become a speaker of English. You need to understand the basic part of your mouth twisting. Once you'll start doing first day, second day, third day, automatic slowly in a study, your tongue will twist with the am, is, are, was, were, shall, we, will be. So, these 216 sentences you can speak in 4.5 minutes or in 5 minutes. Your speed will become approximate more than 50 sentences, more or lesser than, but you would able to pronunciate your sentence in very fluent manners, means you will be not getting any hesitations when you will pronunciate am, is, are, was, were, shall, we, will be. So I'd like to give you a really big thanks that after completion of present, past, future, and this will allow you to become fluent speaker of English.
Workshop practice exercise on shall be or will be. In Hindi, mother tongue and English translation. वे लोग ईमानदार रहेंगे. They will be honest. वह भूखा रहेगा. He will be hungry. वह महान आदमी बनेगा. He will be a great man. वह भूखी रहेगी. She will be hungry. वह एक नेता होगा. He will be a leader. हम लोग नेता बनेंगे. We shall be leaders. सीता एक नर्स बनेंगी. सीता will be nurse. मैं अवश्य तैयार रहूंगा. I will be ready. तुम अवश्य तेज होंगे. You shall be intelligent. हम लोग अवश्य वकील होंगे. We will be advocates. मैं अवश्य संतुष्ट रहूंगा. I shall be satisfied. मैं एक डॉक्टर अवश्य बनूंगा. I shall be doctor. मैं तैयार नहीं रहूंगा. I shall not be ready. वह महान नहीं होगा. He will not be great. सीता परेशान नहीं रहेगी. सीता will not be troubled. वह टंकक नहीं बनेगा. He will not be a typist. वे लोग भूखे नहीं रहेंगे. They will not be hungry. हम लोग व्यस्त नहीं रहेंगे. We shall not be busy. मैं किसान नहीं बनूंगा. I shall not be a farmer. क्या राम तैयार रहेगा? Will Ram be ready? क्या मैं परेशान रहूंगा? Shall I be troubled? क्या वे लोग भूखे रहेंगे? Will they be hungry? क्या तुम महान बनोगे? Will you be great? क्या तुम लोग नेता बनेंगे? Will they be leaders? क्या तुम एक डॉक्टर बनोगे? Will you be a doctor? क्या तुम अभिनेता बनोगे? Will you be an actor? क्या मैं स्वस्थ रहूंगा? Shall I not be healthy? क्या वह लेखक बनेगा? Will he be a writer?